Hey guys, are you want to buy best tire repair kit? Then you're on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 tire kits that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that are mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at CK Auto Universal Tire Repair Kit. The CK Auto Universal Tire Repair Kit is a must-have for any vehicle owner, offering a robust solution for flat tire punctures with its 36-piece set. This kit is designed to address the needs of autos, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, and more, providing a universal fit for a wide array of tubeless tires. The high-strength, rustless zinc alloy construction of the T-handle tools ensures durability and ease of use, allowing for quick and efficient repairs without the need to remove the tire from the rim. Featuring 20 repair plugs made from the best natural rubber, this kit guarantees an airtight steel and excellent egging resistance, extending the life of your repairs. The inclusion of a portable bag makes this kit not only a reliable repair solution but also a convenient one. The airtight plastic bag design maximizes the service of the tire plugs, ensuring that they remain effective until needed. Whether you're faced with an unexpected flat tire or preparing for potential future punctures, the CK Auto Tire Kit is an indispensable addition to your car emergency accessories. Our second product is B-Tall Tire Repair Kit. The B-Tall Tire Repair Kit is a straightforward yet comprehensive solution for flat tire puncture repairs. This 24-piece kit includes everything you need for quick, on-the-go repairs, making it ideal for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and trucks. Its simplicity does not compromise its effective features, featuring a durable T-handle made of heavy steel that provides ample leverage for inserting the tire repair plugs, ensuring a security and lasting repair. Designed to be universally compatible with any tubeless tire, this kit stands out for its plug-and-go efficiency, enabling drivers to fix punctures anytime, anywhere without removing the tire from the rim. The completion of self-vulcanization repair plugs, a 4-way valve steam tool, and detailed instructions ensures that even those with minimal repair experience can confidently address tire damages. The B-Tall Tire Repair Kit proves to be an indispensable tool for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's readiness and safety on the road. Our third product is O-Tone Tire Repair Kit. The O-Tone Tire Repair Kit stands out for its high quality and durable design, making it the top choice for fixing tires. Made from high-quality steel, the 68-piece set is built to last, offering strong adhesion, flexibility, and shock absorption for durable repairs that keep wear in. It's versatile too, suitable for a wide variety of vehicles including cars, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, and RVs, which make it a must-have for any vehicle owner. The kit is also easy to use thanks to its T-handle and spiral probe tool that simplify the repair process. It comes with a compact, portable storage case to keep everything organized and easy to carry, ensuring you don't waste space. Perfect for both beginners and experienced professionals, the O-Tone Tire Repair Kit has all you need for quick and effective repairs, helping you get back on the road quickly. Now number 4. ARB Tire Repair Kit. The ARB 70-piece tire repair kit offers a complete and professional for fixing tire punctures on a variety of vehicles, including high-quality repair tools and accessories like plugs, strings, and lubricant. This kit has everything you need for quick repairs without needing extra tools. It's designed for convenience, helping drivers get back on the road fast and efficiently. Made with top-grade steel and zinc alloy, the ARB kit is durable and rust-resistant, while the butyl rubber tire strips are flexible and long-lasting. The kit is easy to use for everyone, from beginners to experts, and comes in a portable case that's easy to organize and doesn't take up much space. Perfect for cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, or tractors. Its versatility and comprehensive design make it ready for any repair situation. And our last choice is Rhino USA Tire Repair Kits. Rhino USA Tire Plug Kit epitomizes reliability and efficiency, embodying the spirit of American ingenuity and family-operated business values. This heavy-duty, compact tire patch kit offers a quick and straightforward solution to get back on the road without the long wait times typically associated with tow truck services. Its universal compatibility ensures that whether you're dealing with a truck, bike, lawnmower, sedan, or any other vehicle with tubeless tires, you are well prepared for any puncture emergency. The kit's design focuses on providing drivers with confidence and peace of mind, knowing they possess top quality equipment to tackle flat tire situations on head-on. Crafted for convenience and durability, the Rhino USA Tire Plug Kit includes everything you need for a professional grade repair. This includes a sturdy bag with rubber-covered disc shackles, ensuring easy transportation and storage within your vehicle. The kit's components are designed to offer a seamless repair experience with easy installation steps that make it accessible for all users, regardless of their repair expertise. While the kit boasts comprehensive tool for tire repair, it's also compact enough not to compromise on storage space, making it an essential part of your vehicle's emergency kit. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching.